is Charm, and I'm here today to answer yung mga questions na iniwan niyo po sa page ko. Kung hindi niyo pa po nakikita yung page ko po, here's the link if you want to see me in action. Since it's my first time posting on YouTube, let me tell you something about myself. I'm an aspiring artist for movies, TV series, and commercials. And I also do workshop to enhance my talent.
Okay. Here's a question from Joshua Policarpo. Based on your bio, nakita ko aspiring artist. So gusto mo mag-artista, right? May bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon na makasama sa isang movie or teleserye. Ano yung aasahan namin sa isang Prince Alvin Velasco?
Gagalingan ko po sa lahat ng roles na ibibigay po sa akin. Kasi gusto ko po mapatunayan sa mga tao na deserving po ako sa role na yon.
Okay? So next question. What if magkita tayo tapos libre kita, idol? Gusto mo?
Go! Di tayo dyan!
That question comes from Magtatayo Christian Ketay. Next question from Mike Notiabas. Hi Prince, how's your day in school?
My day in school is very good. I enjoy every part of it and my teacher is so nice.
Do you really love dancing?
Of course I do, because I love to exercise and I get to move my body more, and I also love music.
Next question is from Javier Abdon Sirad. If magiging artista ka, anong genre mo? Comedy, action, drama, horror, sci-fi, or rom-com?
Horror, drama, and comedy.
Question is from Juan Garcia. Ano ang naging experience mo nung naging McDonald's Kilikilo ka?
Sobrang saya kasi po nakamake po ako ng burgers at nakakaroon din po ako ng mga bagong friends doon po sa Clinic Crew Workshop sa McDo.
This question is from Michael Jomel Mirabuna Butago. Kung ikaw ay isang commercial model, anong brand ang produkto ka? Milk or chewy candy or multivitamins at bakit?
Kahit ano po, kasi hindi naman po ako picky.
Why?
Kasi po, at least, nakakuha naman po ako ng project.
Next from Elmer Franco Jr. Who is your hero?
My hero, my mami pa rin.
Why?
Kasi, palagi niya po ako pinaprotektahan.
Next question from Frederick Basada. Anong favorite foods mo?
Paborito ko pong pagkain ay fried chicken and french fries.
Follow-up question, sino favorite cartoon character mo?
Wiener Bears! Ang panda from Wiener Bears.
Question galing kay Agwen. Bakit apaka-cute mo?
Mana po ako kay mami ko.
Okay, next question is from Paul Ben. Ano ang naging experience mo naging dancer at modeling?
Naging experience ko po na maging dancer ay masaya po kasi na-exercise pa po ako. And sa modeling po, natutunan ko po doon na palaging posture, naka-straight, tapos yung passion po.
Next question is from Mark Ascano. If mag-aartista ka, anong role ang gusto mo at bakit?
Feeling ko po, magagalingan ko po doon sa inaapi o mahirap po.
Bakit?
Kasi po, para pong mas nakaka-acting po ako noon at mas comfortable po ako sa role na po nila.
Okay, next question is from JP Calandino. Who is your favorite cartoon, anime, character?
I can answer both. My favorite cartoon is The Bear Bears, and my favorite anime is Kimetsu no Yaiba, Demon Slayer. At for my followers doon po sa Facebook, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell for any notifications if I post. That's all. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.